Hello everybody, this is Caleb from Car Industrial, just doing a quick demo of this Harmony baler that we have here in the shop. It's a 230 volt machine. It can also run 460. Quick walk around of the machine. Alright, now I'm going to test run it. Select it for auto, and we're going to hold the down button for 3 seconds. Alright, and that's everything.